Hello there, welcome to this video. We're going to see 3 plugins you might need for your online store: gift cards, email templates, and booking an appointment. We're going to show you what they're all about.
Gift cards are essential for online stores. We're talking about a business model that has grown significantly in recent years. That's why no one wants to miss the opportunity to offer this feature. With this plugin, you can sell both physical and virtual gift cards, so your customers can just visit your website and buy the gift cards with just one click. They'll receive an email with all the information. And it doesn't come with just one design. Customers can upload their own images to the gallery and customize the gift cards however they like. And you can even create categories with images for special occasions like Valentine's Day, birthdays, and more. Additionally, with the Gift is Product feature, customers can buy a gift card with the same price as a specific product. It's a world of possibilities your customers will truly appreciate. Next up is email templates, a plugin that lets you create unlimited templates for your emails. You can customize each one to align with your store's branding, especially for key seasons or events like Christmas, Black Friday, or Halloween. You can create your own template or choose one of the pre-designed templates included in the plugin as the starting point and use the advanced builder to fully customize it. You can edit the text, colors, insert images in the email body and footer, and much more. Last but not least, we have another one of the most requested plugins for online stores, Booking an Appointment. With it, you can manage all kinds of reservations, apartments, hotels, travel agencies, hair salons, medical appointments, and more. You can use this plugin to integrate your e-commerce store with the booking system, regardless of your type of business. You'll be able to set advanced pricing rules and automatically sync your calendars with Booking.com or Airbnb to avoid overlapping reservations, as well as Google Calendar for a one-way synchronization. You can customize booking forms and create unlimited free or paid resources and services, among many other features. With these 3 plugins, you can unlock a world of possibilities and enhance your online store in just a few clicks.
Okay, so that's it for now. See you soon in the next video.